morning.
Yeah! Good stuff. You ready, buddy?
Oh, I'm more ready, boy.
That's right.
That's gonna be the last time you call me boy.
Good morning.
Why is Isaac? Oh, the
Something
McLaren.
with the McLaren.
Isaac's working on it.
Isaac's already in it.
Isaac doesn't fucking stop.
I don't think he can.
This dude was at a club at 3 a.m. bumping last night after 2 days of not sleeping. When my drone hit the mountain, he was just running up the mountain before I could even think what to do. He doesn't fucking stop.
Let's see. What's going on?
McLaren problems.
Oh, what's
He
new?
hit something in the road and it started running weird after that.
Oh, shit.
So, I don't know.
Yeah, we saw Isaac in there
But
already.
just head down to where the helicopter's at. We're not going to mess at it, you know what I mean?
Right, right. Yep. Sounds good. Alrighty. I think he is.
Is that my drone?
That's your drone. Yo, look.
Drone!
He turned sharp, too. I think that's for us.
I'm going in that thing.
You're going in there.
You know how I'm coming. Monday till Sunday, night be thumbing. Got this bad bitch with an onion and she got her own money. She say money keep her coming, but I keep them comers coming. Another check again. I be killing shit. Lord forgive me for my sins. Yeah, my wrist costs a lot.
Alrighty, so day number 2, we have the content van right here, all of the cars behind us, and then if you look way back there, there is a helicopter.
Did you say helicopter?
That me and Brandon are going to hop on and film a lot of these cars. So this is gonna be probably the craziest fucking thing that I've ever done in my life. I'm so fucking excited for it. Mr. Tyler, man, setting up the front gimbals, getting her ready. Brandon filming.
Crashed my drone yesterday. I'm ready to do this today. A Peregrine, or not Peregrine, a Falcon dove on it, took it out of the sky.
You're in its territory, bro.
I didn't know.
It's like, fuck you.
How you holding up in there, Brandon?
Oh, it's gonna be
Yeah,
tight.
yeah. Is it good?
Sounds like a tiger.
Tight like a tiger. Are you ready?
Yeah, dude, this is gonna be insane. Am I gonna be the only one just holding onto your back? Huh?
I'm harnessed in.
We're fine. I got you.
How did you pull this off?
This man right here.
Well, thank you, sir. Somehow, some way, Scott managed to get a helicopter.
We're deciding that instead of strapping Brandon in the helicopter, I'm just gonna hold his harness, and then that's his only safety precaution.
So what are you gonna strap into?
I'm fine. I'm chilling.
Yep.
I will grab onto whatever is in there.
Yep. There's air.
I'm just nervous about getting shots. I hope I actually get shots. Yeah, it's not me, it's the gimbal is what I'm saying. The motors on this can only go so fast.
Hey, Brandon,
I don't
I've
have
got
a-
all the drivers coming down. I figured you might want to talk to him because this isn't top speed. So we're going to have to tell everybody to keep it tight and kind of slower, right? I'm assuming. Whatever you're thinking.
Hopefully, yeah. Can't go too fast up this out in the wind is all I'm thinking.
This is not a top speed operation. We've got Brandon hanging out of the helicopter, right? The whole point of this is to get some cool shots. It's not to like be the first person to the top of the canyon. So it'd be cool if we could stay nice and tight, right? A little bit slower, where he can get the shots that he's trying to get.
Can you define slower for some of these guys?
You ready, boys?
I'm ready. Where's my
Born ready.
Michael!
other side?
Oh my lord.
Get in there!
Be safe.
I'm as safe as I have ever been.
Okay.
Good luck, boys. I'll see you on the other side.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you know, I'm going to try to keep it to like 30 miles an hour.
Oh, perfect. I'm just asking for my gimbal. It can only take so much wind.
Yeah, no, we're gonna stay slow. So there's your headset there. I'm gonna pop this off for Brandon. What's your name?
Michael.
Michael. Okay, good to meet you, Michael.
Yep.
Dude, what the fuck?
What are we doing?
It's getting real.
Claire.
Eagle has left the building.
Let's go, dude. That's so awesome. They're moving.
Brandon's hanging out of a helicopter right now.
Star, see that out. Star, copies all, go ahead. Message to observer, Alpha 3 rounds, 18 delay in effect, 3 guns. Bravo. Recorded target, in the mission. Target suppressed out. Right on, you're coming in, reach out. Back up, try again.
The drug is known as Drake or syrup.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Grab me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Records, got backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. I'll take your beat right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat the whole walls. Hop in the fall. Tell that bitch they gon' come for me. Swear these niggas is in me. The hate and the devil keep killing me. Zeros on me, keep me killing me.
Oh my god. What are we doing, bro? This is insane.
This is crazy. This is literally insane. We have like 20 supercars and a helicopter.
ahead.
Shut the fuck up!
Oh yeah.
I think we need to just chill for a second though.
Yeah. How was it, sir? Yeah. Little queasy in the stomach.
Just after those J turns or whatever, and looking at my monitor facing the other direction doesn't help whatsoever.
Yeah. Did you get the shots that you wanted though? Yeah.
I might have missed the Rams running a little bit,
Yeah.
but I know they're in the shot. I just don't know how smooth it is.
Yeah.
That's all.
But yeah, I'm feeling a little queasy wheezy. We did some pretty sharp fucking turns. Bro, I'm so queasy. Me and Brandon both, dude. There was a couple of those turns where they just fucking like, he like went up and then he just, bro.
There was one point where I saw the props like this.
Yeah.
Like looking at me. I was like, wait.
No, literally it was like we were facing straight down at some points.
I saw him
So,
like, he's like surfing the
At the
hills.
end, me and Brandon are both like, the guy's like, deep breaths and look at the horizon. We're like, all right. Hey,
You sick? I got a little queasy after that third hard bank, and then when we started just flying level back, it was all good.
Ian, what'd you do?
I'm glad you're I didn't do it. Someone else did. I didn't do it. I'm glad you're into that type of thing.
Hey, you got a bumper sticker in the van now. What? Hold me. So you're the driver of this thing, yeah?
Yeah.
At least for this rally, yeah? Well, it's kind of weird. You got this on there.
How long has that been on there for?
I don't know.
It's on the passenger side. That's you.
Oh, shit. We're getting a tour of the fruit plant. The fruit factory.
Fruit. I need food, man.
This smells so good.
Holy shit. That's a lot of apples.
Now you got flax over your shirt.
That's okay. Now we smell good.
Oh, yeah, get up.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my god.
Imagine what? Slight fill up. And we're gonna get going again. Pretty soon here.
Oh, you actually got Racexotics cars?
Yeah.
Fuck, these are not good.
How we looking?
God damn it.
Well,
We're
you
not
have-
looking good. Fuck, you're not making shit with that.
Yeah! Big dicky!
I am vengeance.
No way. Dude, what are the odds? No way. What are the odds?
Yeah, that's right. It's backwards, but it says I'm done.
Moving it up for the scenic drive.
Yeah. Try to get over some guardrails.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Dude, that thing does burnouts.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
That's for him.
No.
We'll go get some.
Let's see. Kai, put on his license plate.
Yeah, let's get him pulled over.
I mean,
Yeah.
Vlad has one on his C8.
Time for the driver's meeting. And we're on our way to Mount Rainier with Batman. How's the Noble treating you?
Good.
You liking it?
Yeah, I'm ready to run the boost up a little bit.
I know
Don't
you
tell
are.
Isaac.
Yeah, you
Don't
take
tell Isaac that I know that I'm ready to run the boost up.
At least you're not yet.
I'm not. I can't. You mean I can't yet? But hey, Isaac can't talk shit because when I was behind him in this, he was shooting flames out of it. And I'm pretty sure I haven't been shooting flames out of it, which means Isaac is driving harder than me. So I don't want to hear a word about how I'm so hard on it.
Right.
Nice. On the road, man.
Hey, Vlad, I like your Ferrari.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Got dead man in my pocket, this shit getting scary. Y'all big racks on me, I feel like refrigerator period. Bitch, I'm all as necessary. I'm cool as Benny Cherry. If you don't like me, blame my parents. Sit down if you can't stand it. Yup, that bread I gotta have it. That bread I gotta have it. Bitch, I'm rich and blessed and savage. 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 Yup, I'm rich and blessed and savage. Damn, clock you ballin' out, huh? Clock you ballin' out. I'm rich and blessed and savage. I'm rich and blessed and savage. Bitch, my nigga West Atlantic. My nigga West Atlantic. I'm rich and blessed and savage. I'm rich and blessed and savage. Bitch, my nigga West Atlantic. My nigga West Atlantic.
We just pulled over. We saw the whole convoy.
Engine white smoke, no good. It caught on fire and everything, and yeah.
It blew up.
It blew up.
I'm rich and blessed and savage, bitch. I'm rich and blessed and savage. I'm rich and blessed and savage, bitch. I'm rich and blessed and savage. I'm rich and blessed and savage. I'm rich and blessed and savage, bitch. My nigga West Atlantic. My nigga West Atlantic. Left it thought, yup, I just got some bacon, yeah. And this bitch older than me, calling me her daddy, yeah. And this I know that I'm richer than her daddy, yeah. Yup, that bread I gotta have it. Yup, that bread I gotta have it. I'm rich and blessed and savage, bitch. I'm rich and blessed and savage. I'm rich and blessed and savage, bitch. I'm rich and blessed and savage.
All right. We're at the next lookout. Well, I guess the first lookout.
The fucking shit. I'm not gonna bullshit you, okay? I don't really give a big fuck what you know or don't know. But I'm gonna torture you anyway.
Hey, before I brush my teeth, I grab my motherfucking toolie. I be getting money, what I be sold. I'm not a chick for real, yeah, these other niggas goofy. I'm still the same nigga, I'm just riding in a new. Yeah, I keep that walker, flocker, flame up on me, oh, let's do it. I never fucked with tattletales, I never been with loose lips. I never been the type to talk about it, bitch, I do this. Yup, I'm the one they talk about, but niggas ain't gon' do it. Niggas artificial, yeah, they fake. These niggas pay for pussy, and Lord knows I can't relate. Yeah, you know I'm on the paper rap, these niggas in the way. Yeah, we do whatever we wanna do, my nigga, I can't complain. Hey, I ain't got shit else to buy, so I'm finna go cop that rank. Yeah, I can't beef about these bitches, type of games that I don't play. Yeah, I'm one flying cold ass nigga, I told Sally and Marty Slay. And when I had made my first million, they ain't gon' lie, that shit been great. Hey, my double R truck sticked up just like a tank. Hey, these niggas wanna be like Glock, but no, they can't. Hey, said you gonna do what, boy? No, you ain't. Hey, you must be getting too hot. The fuck you think? Hey, you the shoot shit up, boy, ain't no blanket. This world is cold as Bitch, your Lord knows that these hoes be janky. I just looked up in the mirror.
Later, nerds. Pizza! 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 Pizza!
There's no more pizza.
What?
There's no more pizza.
What?
You are gonna suffer.
Shit. Right out, Pizza Express. What do we do? Nice. You already took a bite. I don't know what it's called about. Pizza. The last one to show up. We're about to leave. It's almost time for Grios.
It's getting hot. So far, everyone is on the road. Haven't had any other hiccups. The 3 cars already have tapped out, getting trailered home.
What?
So,
no way.
Excuse me, 2.
2?
Third one's a dumping coolant.
What kind of car is that?
The one dumping coolant?
Yeah.
It's a R8 supercharger.
Uh-huh.
Hopefully he gets everything sorted out. It looks like he made it here, so something's working. But,
all right, we'll do.
Everything's good so far.
It's time to go to Grios. And then we're done. Can I help you?
Мало-мало половин, трогай механизм. Наши чувства без границ. Я ребенок, ты игрушка, я ведро, ты деревушка, ты
Nothing. Won't even turn on. First time going through the battery.
The heat definitely didn't help.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to get another V mount, but those things are kind of expensive. The arm worked great though.
Shout out Move Max.
Code Woyshnis 5% off, pretty sure.
Woyshnis.
We're almost to Grios, boys. Holy crap. Yep. How we feeling? Unreal.
Yeah, I think some of them.
How about you?
Time for the awards.
So we've got the MVP. So this was an interesting one, right? There's a lot of people that did a lot for this, all the way down from like Chris making our website. Like there's a ton of people that were involved with this. But man, Isaac till 5 a.m. 2 nights before. Woo! Yeah! Always working. So originally when we did this, or we were kind of thinking like somebody that's like I've been on vacation with these guys, like, and they're on their phones doing work, right? We're literally in Hawaii, and Patty and Suhail are like hustling, right? And so that's when I was thinking about this. But after the fact we were talking about it, I'm like, well, you could be working on the rally, right? And so this is for Brandon.
Yeah.
He wasn't working when I handed it to him. The one time he wasn't. But like we're in the movie theater and he's like going down and getting angles of us while we're watching the movie. Like he was just on it. Woo! Nobody got any accidents other than Suhail. But no major accidents. I made it back. Yeah, for sure. Only lost a couple cars. No tickets. That's killer, right?
We weren't speeding.
Yeah. And nobody got hurt, which is the most important thing, right? Great turnout. I appreciate you guys coming. Take the donuts, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks, Scott. Good round.
Thank you, Scott. Yeah. Hey, you got your award. Your award, bro.
Made it home safe. Safe and sound.
Sounding safe.
No one hurt besides my muscles. Holding that fucking gimbal for 2 days. I'm tired. Yeah, I feel like that's a successful trip. Got some good footage. Lost the drone. That's fine, I guess.
Cool story.
Stupid fucking Falcon. Filmed out of a helicopter. That's a first. I've ridden in a few, but not filmed it like that. That was fucking sick. Thanks to Scott for hiring me, us. Movie premiere and helicopter were the highlights for me. Sorry we didn't explain or talk too much. It was just kind of, you were along for the ride. Whatever happened, happened. If you're more focused on actually getting film content as opposed to BTS content and cell phone content and whatnot. Yeah, thanks for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Please comment. I think I posted a video 2 days ago, or 4 days ago, and it has one comment from my friend.
He's our friend.
Yeah, which is fine.
I love you,
I'll leave a comment.
Yeah, I don't know. I just like the comments a lot.
Yeah, we like to hear what you guys say.
Yeah.
Think or have ideas for. Good work, team.
I need a nap.
Bye. Bye. Nap time.
Buddy.
Thanks, Rhonda.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, I don't feel you.